If you want to custom color home screen apps, icons using Tinted Colors on the iPhone 16e. So first of all, hold your finger at any blank space. Now at the top left corner, press Edit. And here we gotta press Customize. So here we can see our icon colors, like light is basically the original mode, dark, automatic. They would adjust to the settings of the system, whether you're using light settings or dark settings, and tinted. So tinted are adjustable. And for example, you can tap here and they will switch from light to dark mode. Also, you can tap here and choose any color from your wallpapers, right? So it will be activated into this tint mode, right? So now, as you can see, by these settings, you can set up your own custom headphones. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.